Welcome back, lovely people. This is Allie D coming to you live, and today we will be making a cauliflower pizza. And as you can see, it's going to be delicious. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy. So we're going to go ahead and move on to the cauliflower. We are going to season this bad boy up because it will be our crust. And you do not want no bland crust. Trust me, I've done it. So you will need some butter, seasonal onion powder, garlic powder, and whatever other seasonings you want. But those are the main ones that I will be using today within my cauliflower crust. So I decided on this pizza I was going to top it with some chicken. So as most know, and those who have been following me from day one, and know me very well know that I love me some seasonal onion powder, garlic powder, and some parsley. You can never go wrong with those 4 main ingredients. I will also be including some steak seasoning as well, just to give it a little bit more of a flavor since this is going on top of a pizza. So while our chicken is cooking in the oven, we are going to go ahead and start on our base sauce. I am going to be using this organic spaghetti sauce. It's the only thing that I had in my cabinet, but it did work out. So of course, we're just repeating the cycle. I am starting to season my sauce. Seasoning is key, guys. Please season your food. Nobody likes bland food. I have to emphasize on that. Nobody likes bland food, point blank. But just follow these 4 ingredients and you can never go wrong. Even if you don't know how to cook, this will help you. So guys, now that we are letting the base sauce get nice and warm, we are gonna move back to the cauliflower rice. So it may look a little dried out, but that's the exact consistency that we would like. To ensure that our cauliflower rice is thick and able to stick together, we are going to add some butter as well as 1 or 2 eggs, depending on the amount of rice that you are preparing for this dish. Now that we are finished forming our pizza crust, we're going to pop that bad boy into the oven until there is a nice golden brown consistency on top. You know what I'm saying? So now it's time to put the pizza together. Hey, I don't know what I was about to do right there, but like I was saying, we are going to add the sauce first, followed by the cheese, then sprinkle that shredded chicken all the way around. Top that with some onions, some tomatoes, and then I sprinkled it with some pesto sauce. And ooh, look, we're not even done yet. So you just pop that bad boy in there for just a little bit until the cheese is fully melted. And when I tell you, my kitchen was smelling divine. It was amazing, guys. This pizza was definitely A1. It was so delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please comment below. I would love to hear how you guys constructed your pizza. What was your toppings on your pizza? Just let me know, because I'm always down to try something new. And figuring out what you guys like helps me as well. So just let me know at the bottom. Make sure you also like, share, subscribe. You know what the dealio is. And always come back. I will be posting another video soon. And I hope you guys enjoy this one. Bye.